Hello everyone, and in the last lecture we have learned about the tool Revolve, and in this lecture we will learn how to draw such a kind of design where one of the component is at inclined position to another component. So let's start this. So basically first I have to draw a kind of this tunnel which is square faced. So I will draw a square shape. So a square body. Okay, it is kind of rectangular form. Okay, square. And then I would use this tool, offset. Okay, and then I would extrude it by clicking E on the keyboard and would click the plane which I wanted to extrude. So it is extruded fine. Now here the actual complication starts. See, this the inclined component is can be made in different ways, but I will show the way in which maximum number of tools are required. So generally inbuilt we have only three planes, XY, YZ and XZ plane, and I cannot draw a cylinder on these planes to make such a bent one. So I will create a plane which is inclined to this plane. So construct plane at an angle. Okay, so the plane I will draw at an angle should be to this line. Okay, so I will draw something like this. Okay, you can see a new plane here. See, it's revolving, right? Okay, so I need such an inclination, like we shall consider 45 degrees. Yeah, it's fine. I click enter. Now this is the plane. Okay, so now I will draw a square on it, sorry, a circle on it to make a cylinder. Sorry, again I made a mistake of it. So by clicking the offset, okay, I will undo these things. Okay, by clicking offset plane I can bring this plane somewhat outside so that it could be clear in looking for us. Okay, it's simple now. Okay, now I will draw a circle on it, plus, and click this plane. You can see the view has changed. And now I will draw a circle. Make sure that the circle center is lies in the rectangle face of the another body. Click enter, and now I will need a circumference like a concentric circle, and then I would like to extrude this. Okay, so press E and select the face you wanted to extrude. So once I extrude, when the bodies meet, see the color from gray is changing to red, which means the option is cut. Here you can say now this will not be visible to us. So see, the bodies got intersected and now it is cut. I don't want cut. I need a new body here. So I'll say new body. Okay, now it's good in looking good. Okay, and then I'll press enter. Now I don't need the part which is inside this. Okay, so I needed to delete this. So before deleting that, see here when you click on bodies there are two bodies. I wanted to combine these two bodies, so assemble, and here you will find an option like, sorry, it is here, combine. Click the first body and then the second body wanted to combine. Click OK. See, these two bodies are merged in a single body, and now I don't need this body. So click here, it is selected separately, and click delete. This body got deleted simply. Okay, and it is almost similar to this, but there is another change, and the change here you can see is that there is a kind of strip. Okay, what it is, see, these are separated, these are cut from the section equally. So I would like to do this thing. So the cutting section should be symmetric. So I will construct one more plane, which is here I will find mid plane. Okay, I have to select two planes, and automatically a plane will be constructed mid of them, the first plane and the second face. So you can see a green type of layer is formed, which is a new plane, and then press enter. Now I will introduce one more tool, which is known as split body. Okay, and I have to select the body that I wanted to split. I have selected it, and then I have to use the splitting tool. From this the body should be splitted. As I have created the tool to split the body, I'll select the plane. See, I'm getting the option. Okay, and then press OK. See, the bodies are splitted, body 1, body 3. And when I wanted to move the body, right click here, and you can see the option move, and click on bodies. See, I am able to move the body. You see. Okay, so we will learn more about 3D figures in the next lecture. Thank you.